Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Macaron Labubu. We'll start by gathering all the necessary ingredients and tools, ensuring you have everything ready for this fun baking adventure. Then, we'll dive into the precise steps of creating those delicate macaron shells using the French meringue method. Finally, I'll guide you through decorating your macarons to bring the charming Labubu character to life. Let's get baking. To begin, you'll need some key ingredients like finely ground almond flour, powdered sugar, fresh egg whites, and granulated sugar. Don't forget your food coloring to achieve those vibrant Labubu hues. For tools, a reliable kitchen scale is absolutely essential for accurate measurements, as precision is vital in macaron making. You'll also want piping bags and a fine mesh sieve to ensure smooth batter. Gather these, and you're off to a great start. Now for the heart of the macaron, the shells. First, sift your almond flour and powdered sugar together to eliminate any lumps. Next, whip your egg whites with granulated sugar until you achieve a glossy, stiff-peaked French meringue. This is crucial for stability. Then carefully fold the meringue into your dry ingredients, a process called macaronage, until the batter flows like lava. Finally, pipe uniform circles onto your baking mats, ready for their rest. After piping, let your macaron shells rest for about 30 to 60 minutes until a slight skin forms. This helps create those iconic feet. Bake them at a low temperature, around 300 degrees Fahrenheit, until they are firm and easily lift from the mat. Once completely cooled, it's time for the delicious filling. Use your favorite buttercream or ganache. Finally, unleash your creativity by using edible markers or royal icing to give your macarons Labubus adorable, unique expression.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.